Now let's find profit. And this profit is selling price, selling price minus cost price, and this whole will be multiplied with units sold. So using this formula and this selling price is H2 minus cost price, that is F2, and we know that first we have to put the equal sign, then multiply with the unit sold, that is G2 2. And press enter, we'll get a formula, and with the same formula we can find all other values. So next is profit percentage. 2J21. Press enter, we'll get the sum. Now for profit percentage, formula is profit by means 270, which is J2 upon dollar J dollar 22 for percentage multiply with the 100. I forgot equal sign. Just put equal sign, then press enter. We'll find the profit percentage. Now see why I'm using this dollar sign. The reason being is I have to find this profit percentage for each and every cell, and the denominator will remain same, that is 4850. So for that I use dollar $J dollar 22. With the same formula I can find other values also. So this is all about profit percentage, how to find profit, how to find profit percentage. Now let's suppose I have to find the average of this profit percentage. For that, just put equal average, defining the range, that is from K2 to K21. Press enter, you will find the average. For maximum, if I want to find the maximum of, let's suppose, the selling price, finding the maximum, just write down max, defining the range, that is H2 H21. 20 is the maximum of all these. Now see why these hashtags are appearing here. The reason is date is not fitting into the small area. So for that I just have to increase the width of this column. Just increasing the width, you will see now it's clearly visible. Now see the use of filter command. Let's suppose if somebody says he or she is interested in finding the employee who have only notebooks. So for that, we'll go to sort and filter, click filter. You will see some boxes here. This is the way you can put some restrictions on the particular column. Let's suppose if I want to find only those products having notebook and pencil. So just go to this box. First remove select all, then click notebook and pencil. Now you will see the employees having this notebook and pen set.